I am taking you through complex analysis. If we are finding the magnitude, or we want to show that the magnitude of e raised to the power z is equals to e raised to the power x. How? Now remember that a complex number z is equals to x plus iy. X is the real part, while iy is the imaginary part. Now, if I want to show that the modulus of e raised to the power z is equals to ex, how? Since z is equals to x plus I raised to the power y, then I can substitute from here. Then I have a magnitude of e raised to the power z. Z is x plus iy. Now, when we solve this, we are going to have the magnitude of e raised to the power x multiplied by e raised to the power iy. This simply means the product of the two magnitudes. Of course, we are going to have magnitude of e raised to the power x multiplied by the magnitude of e raised to the power iy. Recall that the Euler form of z, a complex number, is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. But here we are dealing with y. So this will be cos y plus I sin y. We can start this. Now, since I know that e raised to the power x, the magnitude, the log, it gives me e raised to the power x. And as such, I want to determine the magnitude of e raised to the power iy. And that will give me the Euler form of this, which is going to be cos y plus I sin y. So the magnitude now becomes the root of cos square y plus I sin square y. How? Remember that when we have a complex number to be z equals to a plus ib, the magnitude of z becomes root of ax squared plus b squared. So that's the same thing we did here. Here we have the magnitude of e raised to the power iy, which gives me cos square y plus sin square y. And recall that sin square y, trigonometry identity plus cos square y will give me 1. So here, the magnitude of the magnitude of e raised to the power z, which is the same thing as ex, because the magnitude of ex gives me ex, then multiply by the magnitude of ey, which gives me root of sin square y plus, cos square y. Let's start with cos square y. Cos square y, because that's the first one. Cos square y plus sin square y. Sin square y. So recall that the whole here is equals to 1. So we have the magnitude of e raised to the power z, the magnitude of e raised to the power z, which will give us ex multiplied by root of, you see everything here is 1, root of 1. And that will give me e raised to the power x multiplied by what is root of 1? It gives us 1. So e raised to the power z will give me e raised to the power x multiplied by 1 will give me e raised to the power x. So therefore, the magnitude of e raised to the power z will give us what? E raised to the power x. And this is proved. So why not join us in the next class, as we shall be finding the magnitude of e raised to the power z. So until then, I say have a good day.